10 insane new guns everyone's buzzing about. There's been a surge of excitement in the firearms world, with manufacturers pushing the boundaries of design, performance, and innovation. From cutting-edge technology to improved ergonomics, these guns have captured the attention of both seasoned shooters and newcomers alike. Smith & Wesson M&P12. The Smith & Wesson M&P12 has set a new standard for tactical shotguns. What makes this firearm particularly insane is its bullpup configuration, which dramatically reduces overall length while retaining full-length barrel performance. The M&P12 is chambered for 12-gauge, delivering unmatched firepower in a compact package. One of the standout features of the M&P12 is its dual magazine tube design, allowing for a total capacity of up to 14+1 rounds of 2 3/4 or 3-inch shells. This capacity, combined with the gun's intuitive controls, such as its side-mounted magazine release and smooth pump action system, ensures rapid follow-up shots without sacrificing maneuverability. The bullpup layout ensures a shorter overall length, ideal for maneuvering in tight spaces like home defense scenarios or vehicle-based operations. The design of the M&P12 also enhances balance and reduces recoil, thanks to its forward weight distribution and integrated recoil mitigation system. It's a perfect blend of form and function, capable of handling a wide range of shotgun loads, from buckshot to slugs. Its rugged build, paired with Smith & Wesson's reputation for reliability, makes the M&P12 a true game-changer in the shotgun world. Kel-Tec RDB. The Kel-Tec RDB, rifle downward ejection, is a rifle that turns traditional design on its head. At first glance, it may look like a standard bullpup rifle, but its innovative ejection system makes it stand out. One of the most exciting features of the RDB is its downward ejection mechanism, which ejects spent cartridges downward rather than out of the sides or top. This not only eliminates the risk of brass striking the shooter or nearby objects, but also improves reliability in prone or awkward shooting positions. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, the RDB provides excellent ballistic performance and manageable recoil. Its compact design reduces overall length, making it exceptionally maneuverable in tight spaces, such as homes or close-quarter combat scenarios. The 17-inch barrel offers impressive accuracy at extended ranges while remaining easy to handle. The RDB's balanced weight distribution ensures that it remains comfortable for prolonged use, without any unnecessary fatigue. The rifle features a short-stroke gas piston operating system, which enhances reliability and reduces maintenance needs. Its monolithic upper receiver design improves strength and durability, making the RDB an incredibly rugged and reliable platform. Whether used for personal defense or long-range precision shooting, the Kel-Tec RDB delivers exceptional performance in a unique, game-changing package. Barrett MRAD. The Barrett MRAD multi-role adaptive design is a precision rifle that redefines long-range shooting. One of its most insane features is the fully modular design, allowing users to easily swap out barrels, bolt heads, and calibers in minutes. This makes the MRAD one of the most versatile and adaptable sniper rifles available today. Chambered in .300 Winchester Magnum, the MRAD delivers unparalleled long-range accuracy and devastating terminal performance. The rifle's precision-crafted barrel, matched with its fully adjustable stock and trigger, ensures outstanding performance at distances well beyond 1,000 yards. The MRAD's user-friendly design with easily accessible controls makes it ideal for operators who may require quick caliber changes depending on mission needs. The MRAD's integral folding stock and monolithic upper receiver contribute to its excellent ergonomics and durability. Its recoil management system keeps muzzle rise to a minimum, allowing shooters to stay on target through multiple shots. Barrett's reputation for producing world-class precision rifles is evident in the MRAD, making it a must-have for military, law enforcement, and long-range enthusiasts alike. Ruger LCP Max. The Ruger LCP Max has emerged as one of the top contenders in the concealed carry pistol market. What makes the LCP Max so insane is its ability to offer high-capacity performance in an ultra-compact form factor. With a flush-fit magazine capable of holding 10 rounds and an extended magazine offering 12 rounds, the LCP Max redefines what's possible for pocket pistols. Chambered in .380 ACP, the LCP Max is easy to carry and conceal while still delivering reliable performance in personal defense situations. The pistol features a lightweight polymer frame and a smooth, short recoil-operated system, keeping recoil manageable and accuracy high. The flat-face trigger provides a clean break, enhancing control during rapid fire. The LCP Max's ergonomics are designed to be comfortable, with textured grips and a shallow beaver tail ensuring a secure hold. Despite its compact size, the pistol offers enhanced sighting options with low-profile 3-dot sights. The Ruger LCP Max is a game-changer for those seeking maximum firepower in a pocket-sized carry gun. Springfield Armory Hellion. The Springfield Armory Hellion has raised eyebrows as a revolutionary entry in the bullpup rifle category. One of the most insane features of the Hellion is its ability to combine the compact design of a bullpup with the ergonomics and handling of a traditional rifle. The Hellion brings over a century of military-grade engineering into a civilian-friendly package. Chambered in 5.56 NATO, the Hellion offers outstanding ballistic performance and accuracy in a compact, short-barreled rifle. The bullpup configuration reduces overall length without sacrificing barrel length, resulting in a rifle that's easy to maneuver in confined spaces. Its folding stock adds to its versatility, making it ideal for storage or transport. The Hellion features an adjustable gas system, ensuring reliable operation with various ammunition types. The fully ambidextrous controls, including safety selectors, charging handles, and magazine releases, make it accessible for both right and left-handed shooters. The Springfield Armory Hellion represents a fusion of cutting-edge design and practicality for tactical and personal defense use. CZP-10F. The CZP-10F is a standout striker-fired pistol that has made waves in the competitive shooting world. Its insane feature set centers around outstanding accuracy, reliability, and modularity. The P10F offers a full-sized frame with a high magazine capacity, all while maintaining a sleek ergonomic design. Chambered at 9mm, the P10F provides excellent recoil management and impressive sighting capabilities. The pistol features an 18-round magazine capacity, giving it one of the highest capacities in its class. The trigger is crisp and consistent, offering a clean break and enhanced accuracy for shooters of all skill levels. What sets the P10F apart is its user-friendly modular design, allowing for easy customization of grip panels, back straps, and other ergonomic elements. Its low-profile night sights and adjustable optic-ready slide make it ideal for self-defense, competition, and tactical applications. The CZP-10F combines precision, performance, and versatility into a single formidable pistol. Glock 48. The Glock 48 has emerged as a slimline pistol designed for concealed carry enthusiasts who demand a balance between capacity and comfort. One of the insane features of the Glock 48 is its single-stack magazine design, providing a thinner grip without sacrificing capacity. It holds 10 rounds of 9mm, delivering an impressive amount of firepower for a pistol that's easy to conceal. The Glock 48's lightweight polymer frame, paired with its precision-built slide, enhances comfort and durability. Its slim profile and smooth grip texture make it comfortable to carry all day long. The pistol's slightly longer barrel length improves accuracy, while the shorter grip ensures concealability. Glock's renowned reliability and reputation for simplicity make the Glock 48 an excellent choice for concealed carry. Its adjustable rear sight and standard front sight provide excellent visibility in various lighting conditions. The Glock 48 is a perfect example of how Glock continues to innovate while staying true to its commitment to performance and durability. Sig Sauer P365X. The Sig Sauer P365X is a game-changing pistol that has redefined the micro-compact category. Its insane feature set focuses on high-capacity performance in a subcompact design. The P365X holds 12+1 rounds of 9mm, offering an unprecedented amount of firepower for a pistol of its size. Chambered in 9mm, the P365X excels in recoil management and accuracy due to its ergonomic design and excellent trigger. The pistol features a flat-face trigger, allowing for a consistent pull, improving shot-to-shot accuracy. The P365X's micro-compact size makes it ideal for concealed carry, yet it doesn't compromise on magazine capacity. What sets the P365X apart is its modular design, allowing for easy customization with a wide range of aftermarket accessories. Its optics-ready slide and upgraded grip module enhance performance in both tactical and self-defense scenarios. The Sig Sauer P365X continues to be a top choice for those seeking a high-capacity, compact pistol. FN509 LS Edge. The FN509 LS Edge is a precision-focused pistol built for serious competition shooters. One of the insane features of the LS Edge is its use of premium materials and craftsmanship, creating a gun that delivers unparalleled performance right out of the box. The pistol features a full-length steel frame paired with an optics-ready slide, offering a perfect blend of durability and accuracy. Chambered in 9mm, the FN509 LS Edge excels in recoil management and speed, making it a favorite among competitive shooters. Its 17-round magazine capacity ensures shooters have enough firepower for rapid engagement. The pistol's skeletonized trigger and polished internals provide a crisp, short reset feel for quick follow-up shots. The LS Edge's fully adjustable competition sights, combined with a flat-face trigger, make it an excellent option for precision shooting. Its aggressive stippling and ergonomic design enhance control and reduce fatigue during prolonged shooting sessions. The FN509 LS Edge is a top-tier choice for those seeking a high-performance pistol built for competition. Walther PTP. The Walther PTP Performance Duty Pistol is a revolutionary new offering that blends performance and ergonomic design in a package that's ready for duty or defense. What makes the PDP so insane is its unique combination of ergonomic improvements and precision performance features. The pistol features an aggressive texturing on its grip, ensuring a secure and comfortable hold even in adverse conditions. Chambered in 9mm, the PDP delivers outstanding recoil control and accuracy thanks to its innovative barrel and slide system. The pistol offers a 15-round magazine capacity, giving it impressive firepower in a compact frame. Its redesigned trigger system ensures a short, crisp pull, improving accuracy and reducing shooter fatigue. The PDP also features a fully adjustable backstrap system, allowing shooters to customize the grip to their preference. Walther's Performance Duty Pistol is ideal for those who want a compact, high-capacity pistol that delivers superior performance in duty, self-defense, and competition. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.